Hello, my name is Marcio. Today I'll be showing how to install the utility Invoke-sqlcmd manually with just a few steps. Invoke-sqlcmd is a tool to allow connections from PowerShell to SQL Server databases. This video is a complement to this post from my blog. In order to install Invoke-cmd, we need to download the install these packages from SQL Server 2016 servicepack 3. We need Microsoft SQL types, we need SQL shared management objects and PowerShell extensions. Here, as my lab, I'm connected to a fresh Windows 2016 VM in Azure, but that could be any Windows version. Invoke-sqlcmd is not available for now, as you can see. I just created this lab infrastructure to record this demo using Terraform, a Windows VM with a Bastion server and a SQL Server database to test the SQL Server connections. The Terraform scripts are also shared in the GitHub repository that I am sharing. First, we need to download the installation files. Let's using this link. Open it in my VM. We can download the packages by selecting them individually. So let me search by the package names in the browser. sqlsys types. Second one is shared management objects. You'll be always going with the first one because we want 64-bit. And PowerShell tools. Click next. Oops. Click save. Once we download all the 3 installation files, we need to install them and follow this sequence. So let me start by system CRS types. Here we are doing manual installation, but we have first options like using command line or PowerShell. Let me install now shared management objects. It's completed. And last but not least is PowerShell tools. Install it. Yeah, it's also installed. Now I can open a new PowerShell session and try to use Invoke-SQL. I can also access the documentation. Or even I can try to connect to a SQL instance, the instance that I have available in my lab. Let me try to put the command here. That's the instance that I created in my lab with this username and password. The Terraform scripts are available, like I said. And here I can validate PowerShell is working. Invoke-cmd is now installed and available for users in the VM. The SQL Server Service Pack download link is available in the description of this video, as well as the GitHub link for the Terraform scripts used to create this lab infrastructure. I hope this helps someone. Thanks for watching.